In today video, in second video, we are going to learn home tab of that Microsoft Word. First of all, we are going to write something here. My name is Muhammad Ali. I am a student of engineering. I'm a student of engineering. I live in Islamabad. These are the three sentences and three lines. Use enter for the next line. Choose backspace for creating any mishap, or you can do undo for using backspace. Okay. First of all, you can use paste, copy paste. How you can use this? Select this, just click on it and move your mouse cursor here. You can select all the data. Press control and press C. You can copy this content. Okay, when you press control C, just check this paste command is shown. That was hidden before, but this is shown now. You can use this, select this, or just use this. First of all, you can use cut command. Cut command is utilized for data moved from one place to another place. When you use cut, that is clear from starting place, and you're using this. You can use this here. You can use this paste command here. That is pasted here. Use cut command for movement of one data from one place to another place. You can use cut command, and the second command is the copy command. You can select this and click on the copy command and then paste it here. Control and press paste here. Then you can check this. My engineering work is also there. My engineering work is all in my profession is I am a student of engineering. That is also here. So use copy command for a copy of that sentence on another place, and use a cut command. You can use cut command for to move one sentence or one line or any other paragraph from one place to another place. Hope so you understand very well. In this video we have discussed cut command, copy command and paste command. Now we have to discuss this. What is the shortcuts of that cut command? Use cut command. Use Control C T or L plus X. When you use Control plus X at the same time, you can check what happened. Control plus X, that is a cut command utilized for cut command. The next step is copy command. Use Control C T or L plus, and the second one is, what is this second one? Copy command Control plus C, that is C. Now we can apply this command here. Press Control C. You can check this data is there, and press Control V for what? For paste command. TOL Control plus V. That is a shortcut of what? That is a shortcut of a paste command. You can use it here. Control V. Control V. V. You can check out the data. I write it once time, and now I use a copy and paste command to write this data many times in this place. Hope so you understand very well cut, copy and paste commands. Hope so you like my videos, and stay connected for more videos, and subscribe my channel and press a bell icon for more videos, for more energetic and more learning videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.